Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to use screenshot tool in Excel and magic of using text box with screenshot capture. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. This live, we use snipping tool for capturing screen from PDF files and attach to our workings. But today we will learn alternative and productive way of screen capturing in Excel. Let's say I have a petty cash voucher like this in PDF form to claim expenses, and normally we print it and fill it in manually before submitting to the admin department. But today we will learn how to do it by using the Excel. So here are the steps that we need to follow. Number one, we have to open an Excel file. Then in the Excel, we click on the Insert tab. Under the Insert tab, we go to the Illustration group. Then we click on Screenshot. When you click on the screenshot, it shows you the available Windows gallery appears. Click Screen Clipping. When the screen turns white and the pointer becomes cross, so you have to select the area of your PDF file that you need to capture like this. When you leave the pointer, it automatically comes to your Excel file like this. Now we have to look out all the desired options that we have, like date, banner ID, name, department, budget, purchase. Now we have to fill all of these options. What we can do, we need to write down the data we have to fill in these boxes in the adjacent cells. Like for the date, I just write down 20 Jan 2020. Banner ID, suppose I write down 1 2 3 4 5, and the name is Mr. X, and the department is finance. Budget is like 5,000 suppose, and purchase from Mr. Y LLC. In item description, I had to write down suppose item A, item A, and the amount for this is like 200, and for item B, suppose I have the amount for 100, and then for the subtotal, suppose I have to add these both, okay, and the tax, if you have the tax, like for the suppose the tax at the 5%, so we have to do it 5%, and the total, so you have to add this plus this. Now we almost have the fill the all of the options, and there are other options like approval for the administrator, like suppose we have the administrative approval one from Mr. Peter, the second from Mr. John. That's it. Now we have listed on all of the desired column that we need here. Now we have to click here and then go again to the insert. Under illustration, comes to the shape, then we have to select the text box, then we have to click here. Now we just need to adjust it, suppose like this, or here just click to this box, and then we go to the formula bar and type equal, and we have the information for this date here. Then we have to click here and enter. Now you can see it automatically available here. If we change something here, then it automatically change to the date column. Suppose I change it is the 15 January 2020, and it automatically change here. We do it for all of the available columns or the boxes here. Like suppose for this, I just Control D for the duplication, and I put here, and then again click the formula bar, update the reference, and hit it. Same thing, we do it for all. Same thing, we have to do this for all the options. Like for the name, we have to write down the name, so we update the cell reference here for Mr. X. So you can see now every time you update the adjacent column, it automatically update the information in the petty cash voucher. Like suppose I have changed the name from Mr. X to Mr. Y, or you can say Mr. ABC. See, it's automatically updated here. So in this way you can create the petty cash voucher and need to be productive or do it in a productive way. Hope you like this video, but before ending this video, don't forget to